Welcome YouTube. In this series we're going to look at solutions to the end of course practice exam 1 for Algebra 1. Alright, so we'll just go through this problem by problem. The first problem we're going to do asks us to solve this equation for A, and it's giving us choices, but we'll just solve this guy for A. My favorite way to solve for a variable is to use the boxes to help me. So to use the boxes, I'm looking at this side here. I start with A. The next thing I see is that I have AT squared. How did I get from A to AT squared? I multiplied by T squared. From AT squared, I then have 1/2 AT squared. And how did I get from this to this? I divided by 2. Lastly, I see that I add VT to that, so finally I have VT plus 1/2 AT squared. And how did I get to that? I added VT. So to solve this for A, I'm going to have to reverse these steps. Step 1, minus VT from both sides. To go from this to this, I'll have to minus VT from both sides. So let me just start that here. I've got D equals VT plus 1/2 AT squared. And I'm going to subtract VT from this side. I'm going to subtract VT from this side. This cancels out as I wanted it to. I get D minus VT is equal to 1/2 AT squared. And I went from this to this, and I can see that in my boxes, so this checks out. Next, I have to go back to AT squared. I had divided by 2 to go from here to here, so to undo it, I have to multiply by 2. So I'm going to multiply this side by 2, and I'm going to multiply this side by 2. These parentheses are very important. So I get 2 times D minus VT is equal to, the 2's cancel out, and I get AT squared. Same as here. That matches. The last thing to do is to get A by itself. I've got AT squared. I multiplied by T squared to get this way, so to go the other way, I need to divide by T squared. Cancels on this side, it stays there on this side. So my final answer is 2 times the quantity D minus VT over T squared equals A. Ooh, you can't see that. Alright, so take a look at the distractors. The square root is pretty obvious, but if we look at the original problem, you can see there's a T squared, so that might distract some people. There's also these two options here. The one with the parentheses is the correct one. So, alright, that was problem 1 from the practice exam. Go on to problem 2.